Hey guys, what is up? RedPandaMining here. How you guys all doing? I hope you're all doing really well and having a great day. In this video, I want to talk about unprofitable GPUs right now as of making this video. And I actually have a few of these unprofitable GPUs. Obviously, it depends on your electrical cost, and if you have free electricity, then it doesn't matter. But for most of us that have to pay electricity, we have to figure out, the efficiency and what our GPUs can mine on efficiently, right? So I just want to talk about some GPUs that are probably not profitable for some of you, obviously depending on your electrical cost. So first GPU that I want to talk about here is the GTX 1060 3GB card. And I'm on eBay right now, and these are going for, I'm on recently sold, and they're going for about $89, $100 for a 1060 3GB. And I myself, I have two GPU rigs of 7 by GTX 1060 3GB. I have 2 of them, and so I have 14 of these cards still. And I should have sold these probably a little bit earlier, maybe earlier last year, but I was just too lazy or too busy to do it. So I still have these cards, and honestly, they're not making that much profit right now in terms of my electrical cost. So I just want to go through now and go through what to mine and some other profitability here, just to see how much the 1060 3GB can make right now. Okay, so obviously what to mine actually doesn't have the 3GB cards on here, so they actually show just the 1060 6GB, but we're just gonna go hit calculate anyway and do an average of 10 cents a kilowatt hour, I would say, for most of us. So now, example, a 1060 3GB cannot mine Grin 29 because the memory requirement for Grin 29 is 3.8 gigabytes of video memory. Okay, let's see, Ethereum or Ethereum Classic, not able to mine these coins on a 3GB card because the DAG files for Ethereum and Ethereum Classic are past 3GB. Okay, and then let's see, Kakaroo 29. Kakaroo 29 is 3.8 gigabytes of VRAM. Let's see, Swap 29S. Swap also needs 3.8 gigabytes of VRAM in order to mine Swap. And then Beam, okay, Beam Hash 2. Just recently, they just moved to their new algorithm. Beam requires 2.9 gigabytes of VRAM. So I tried mining Beam on my 3GB 1060s and not able to in Windows. I also did try Hive OS or a Linux distribution, and it didn't work as well. I would like to know from the community if any of you have been able to make Beam work on 3GB 1060s. Okay, I would love to know. Let's go down the list here. A Eternity, Kaku Cycle, nope, not able to. Let's see, we're gonna keep going down the list. So far on a 1060, a 3GB cannot mine any of these profitable coins. Beam, no. Zcoin, definitely not. Rio or Rio. Okay, so I actually have not tested out Kryptonite GPU for Rio, so I am curious if it is profitable. But at 10 cents a kilowatt hour, you guys can see we're only making about 6 cents a day, and that's really not profitable. And then the next coin, which I can see, is Bitcoin Gold for Zhash. Now, Bitcoin Gold, that does, let's see here, Bitcoin Gold is what again? Ecohash 144.5. Okay, so the memory requirement for that is 1.75 gigabytes of VRAM. So a 1060 3GB can mine Bitcoin Gold and be not really profitable, 5 cents a day on a single 1060. So to be honest, I've had my 1060 3GB rigs on Zhash, Bitcoin Gold, for the past, I think, couple months, because that was really the only coin that I could mine profitable. Obviously not that much right now, but I'm curious now. I found another website, Coin Calculators. It's the same thing, shows the exact same thing kind of what to mine is. Bitcoin Gold's way down here. But now NiceHash is the same thing. NiceHash shows, let's see, 10 gigabyte, 3 gig. Let's see. Actually, before I show you guys that, I wanted to show you the top 5 hardware on NiceHash. Radeon 7, Titan V, 2080 Ti, a 5700 XT. Okay, this is mining Ethereum, and then an RTX 2070 Super. So, interesting here. I'm not mining on NiceHash. I just wanted to see the profitability on a 1063 gig. Let's just go here, hit calculate, 10 cents a kilowatt hour. And it says our approximate income is 20 cents, but the profitability in one day, we are making negative 8 cents USD at 10 cents a kilowatt hour. So even NiceHash is showing negative profitability on a 1063 gig, which obviously sucks. If we go 1066 gig, obviously we're in the profit. We're making 13 cents a day because I'm assuming these are mining Ethereum or something. I found another website called crypto.zone, and it shows the 1063 gigabyte to be profitable. Let's see here, 1063 gig, you guys can see right here. I entered 1, I hit calculate, and it shows that this card can be profitable on ZClassic, which is the Equihash 192.7, okay, 192.7. Oh no, sorry, not a ZClassic is, oh no, it is. Wait, let me see here. Equihash, ZClassic, I forgot to check mining pool stats, and yeah, Equihash 192.7, I was right. Okay, so the memory requirement for this algorithm is 2.75 gigabytes of VRAM. So this website, crypto.zone, which I've never really used much before, shows that ZClassic on a single 1063 gigabyte, we're making about $3.10 a day. I don't know if that's real, so I'm gonna be trying this out. Maybe I will make another video and saying that the 1063 gigabyte is an amazing card on ZClassic right now, but maybe you guys can check that out as well. Also, Zero Coin. Zero is also looking profitable on Equihash 192.7. The same algorithm as ZClassic. It looks like it's only making, let's see, 20 cents a day. Is that after electrical cost? Oh no, net profit. No, we're not making anything. But it's showing ZClassic to be really profitable right now. So I wonder. Maybe that's not going to last too long because maybe it was just a quick pump in the coin price. But I would like to get some feedback from you guys on unprofitable GPUs. And I've been wanting to also look at the 4 gigabyte RX 580s or 570s, and these cards, let's see what they're going for now. Recently sold about $100, $95, 95, 101, 120, 62, 81, 85, 125. Okay, so about $100 for these cards, almost roughly a little bit more than a 1063 gig, and these cards can mine on Ethereum right now, okay? Due to the DAG just being over 3 gigabytes. I believe it's at 3.23 gigabytes for Ethereum and 3.3 gigabytes for Ethereum Classic. Now, if you were mining on Ethereum Classic on Windows with a 4 gigabyte card, you might be getting an error because you're running out of video memory on your 4 gigabyte cards in Windows, okay? So most likely, most people will have to move to Hive OS or a Linux distribution OS in order to mine on Ethereum Classic for your 4 gigabyte cards, okay? So now Ethereum, you can still mine Ethereum with your 4 gigabyte cards, but you know, in the next, I would say, month or so, it's gonna hit that 3.3 or 3.4 gigabyte soon DAG, and you're gonna have to get off Windows if you have 4 gigabyte cards, okay? You're gonna have to go to a Hive OS or Linux for that one. So, and in terms of when Ethereum and Ethereum Classic stop, let's see here, December 2020, so that's next year, will be when 4GB cards are unable to mine Ethereum Classic, okay? I mean, ProgPow is coming real soon, and then Proof of Stake shortly after, okay? So that could happen before 2020, probably not, but we'll see, of November 2020. And what other unprofitable cards are there? There's probably a lot more, a lot smaller ones, like the 1050 Ti, the 474 gig. But anything past 4GB cards, like the 1660 6GB cards, 1078 GB cards, Radeon 7, Vega 56, I think like all of these cards are still profitable, okay, as of making this video. So let's see here, on a Vega, ooh, never mind, 7 cents on Monero. Whoa, these Vega 56s are not profitable at all. 10 cents a kilowatt hour. Oh, that sucks. Wow, I didn't know that. The Vegas are not really profitable right now. The Radeon 7s, though, are looking pretty good, though. 73 cents after electrical cost. Let me know what you guys think. I would like to know what other unprofitable cards you guys have been selling. I've been selling my 4GB RX 570 cards. I haven't sold them all yet, but I've been trying to, and it's been really hard. And I know that I've explained that why. I've explained in other videos why. And RandomX, Monero, they're changing algorithms. I'm really unsure of what's going to happen to AMD cards profitability in the next half year or year. It's going to be pretty interesting what's going to happen, and I'm curious to know which coin will be the profitable one coming up. So I appreciate you guys for watching. Smash the like button, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Let me know what you think, and have a good one, and peace out.